So we are all aware of the concept scholarship. So what is scholarship? In case you don't know, scholarship is something to financially help you while you're doing your bachelor's or master's journey and so on. Okay. So now once you've gotten admitted into a university, the next step for you is most ideally to support yourself financially. If you are not enrolled into a public university with zero tuition fees, supposedly in the state of Baden-Württemberg, then you would need some kind of money to pay your tuition fee or to support your daily needs and all. So in today's video, I'll be mentioning a few scholarships that I'll be applying for myself as well. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I empower and inspire you into reaching new heights in your educational journey. And today we have an exhilarating video planned for you wherein we delve into the world of master's program in Germany. As I mentioned, I'll be talking about few of the scholarships that I am aware of. This is just part one of the video. I'll be telling you about more scholarships in my further videos. So firstly, we'll be talking about the Deutschlandstipendium. Deutschlandstipendium is a merit-based scholarship that is awarded to both domestic and international students. It gives an financial assistance of 300 euros per month, and it is awarded based on academic excellence, extracurricular activities and personal circumstances. It is provided for a period of at least 2 semesters and can be extended at most till the end of the standard study period. Okay, so it is modeled after the principle of private-public partnership, wherein individuals and businesses sponsor young talents with the amount of 150 euros per month, and the federal government provides the other 150 euros. So in total, you receive 300 euros per month as your financial support. Okay, now the question is where to apply it from. Okay, so once you've gotten admitted from a particular university, you can go to their portal and search Deutschlandstipendium. Okay, and you can get all the admission criteria details and the application deadlines and stuff like that. Okay, for example, I have gotten an admit from University of Stuttgart. So if I go to their particular website and I search Deutschlandstipendium, you will also be able to see that their period is from January to March, and they provide the result of all the selected student for that particular scholarship in April. Okay, except for that particular time, you will not be able to apply for that particular scholarship any other time. Okay. Now, how to know that your university supports the Deutschlandstipendium? So you can go to the DAAD website, that is DAAD website, and therein if you search the Deutschlandstipendium, you will get a link wherein it will redirect to your page where you will be able to see all the universities and all the corresponding courses of those universities for which you can apply for this particular scholarship. Next, we'll be talking about the Heinrich Böll Foundation Scholarship. Okay, the Heinrich Böll Foundation offers scholarship to international students who wants to pursue master's program in Germany. These scholarship is awarded based on academic excellence, social engagement and commitment towards the environmental issues and social justice issues. Okay, so candidates have to have a positive attitude towards the green ideals, and they have to have excellent school grades and academic standards and are socially and politically involved. This foundation funds scholarships to annually 1,000 students and covers their standard study period with an option to renew for one more semester. So now what is the application requirement for this particular scholarship? One requirement that stands out for us Indians is the requirement for German level. Okay, so in this particular scholarship, you have to prove a German level of B2 or DHS2. As an Indian, this is difficult for us because we are not that much fluent in German, and at most we do B1. B2 is a little difficult for us, but if you put your mind into it, then you will be able to do it. The second requirement would be admission to a state university or state recognized university of higher education in Germany. In this particular scholarship, you will be receiving something around 861 euros and additional individual services. The application deadline for this particular scholarship is March 1st or September 1st. So if you're someone who wants to apply for this particular scholarship and does not have the B2 certificate for German, what you can do is you can start preparing yourself and aim for the next March, wherein you can apply with your B2 certificate. So next we'll be talking about Baden-Württemberg Stipendium. So this is a prestigious scholarship program offered by the Baden-Württemberg Stiftung, that is an organization based in the Baden-Württemberg state of Germany. This scholarship aims to support international exchange and foster cultural understanding among individuals by providing funding opportunities for students all around the world. This scholarship is basically provided to students who are willing to do 1 or 2 exchange semester in one of the partner institutions in Baden-Württemberg state or in abroad. So it is really an opportunistic scholarship, as you will not only be exposed to your particular university, but you will also have an opportunity to go to abroad and do an exchange study, or in any other state in the Baden-Württemberg, any other city in the Baden-Württemberg, and you will be given a scholarship by the university. So what is the application criteria for this particular scholarship? So you have to be a highly qualified undergraduate, graduate or a doctoral candidate. You study at the institution of higher education in either the state of Baden-Württemberg or with their international partner universities. And like I mentioned earlier, you should be spending 1 or 2 semesters in any other universities in the Baden-Württemberg state or abroad. The applications are exclusively handled by the international office of the universities in the Baden-Württemberg state. So if you want to know anything about the application deadline or the application criteria, like more about the application criteria and stuff, you will have to contact the international office of your institute in the Baden-Württemberg state only. Every year, around 1500 students are given the opportunity to study abroad with this Baden-Württemberg Stipendium, and the funding ranges from 3 to 11 months. The scholarship is calculated individually, so it can range from 600 to 1400 euros based on your profile. And to know the application deadline of this particular scholarship, you'll have to contact the international office of your university. So those are the 3 scholarships that I talked about. I'll be coming up with further scholarships. If you want to research on your own about more scholarships, you can visit the DAAD website. Okay, so it is very important to know that the application criteria, application deadline and requirements may vary. Okay, some of the scholarship may require German proficiency, while other scholarships might only be for English taught programs. There are scholarships that require job experience for at least 2 years or at least 3 years. All those things you will have to research on your own. I can only provide you the name here, and you can visit the DAAD website or the website of that particular scholarship. You can also check in your university portal if that particular university is providing you this the scholarships that you are interested in, and it will be really easy for you if you start maintaining an Excel sheet of that, so that you do not miss the deadlines and you know what is the requirement in that particular scholarships, and you try to fulfill it by the application deadline of that scholarship. It will be really helpful. So that will be it for today's video. If you're someone who's new to my channel, then I do videos on Masters in Germany, and I already have a playlist, and you can visit that playlist and check the other videos. I'll tag that playlist in my description. I'll be coming up with further videos on scholarships. So do subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon. Thank you.